synopsis highlighted results, and after my intervention, but this is also my reflection as well as reflection or findings are on 5 components: planning and design. If we follow this model, the planning will be systematic, and burden of teacher will reduce, and we can provide the space for flexibility and adaptability if we pre-plan. And in terms of instruction and facilitation, it improved collaboration, and it balanced the synchronous and asynchronous modality, promotes self-directed learning, etc. And in terms of assessment and evaluation, it improved performance of mathematics that I found from achievement test, and it focused on classroom assessment and space for self and peer evaluation, and varieties and multimodal of assessment, and focused on formative assessment, that is assessment for learning also. And technology integration, it integrates multimodal sources and multiple platforms of learning. And next one is feedback, monitoring and support. It guarantees the feedbacking system and monitoring and support. Monitoring and supporting system of our university is something lacking somewhere. So it also ensures these components. This is my findings and as well as reflection. And final remarks, SING model is a pedagogical model rather than the technicist model for background learning. I am not a more technical person. I am students of mathematics, but my side subject also ICT also, but I am not technical person. So it is a pedagogical model, not technical model. So every teacher can follow this model. Every teacher can adopt this model. No one need to be more technician or technical person. And so and this is ecological model, so it is flexible in terms of context and time, and it can be scalable and adaptive, because in mathematics, in the subject like mathematics, and in other subjects also we can adapt this model. These are my work, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Krishna Prasad Scholar. Yes, he has very clearly mentioned on the paper, higher education, reimagining higher education in Nepal context. So the term itself, when I heard that he's a person who loves Nepal, staying in Nepal and loving Nepal. So the education system out here studying is my duty. That is what he must have thought. He also must think about that. Sometimes we think about other places. That is something great. And he used synchronized and asynchronized models in his going ahead. And on-site learning and practical learning, both he introduced. That practical learning introduction is really good for studying about our own situation of our place. That is very good. Then biotic and abiotic factors about the study, and blended.
Last time we did.
Yeah, blended learning, and one key another sentence that impressed me: learning and earning by students. That is focused. In South, and here we also can, since we are from South, we can also think about, are we doing for our children learning and earning? That we think that learning can do only learning, but present situation is changed. So that is something, a very important point which impressed me. At the same time, yes, that 4 phases of study, and he expressed it. Very important thing is in a diagrammatic representation. So you see, it is even for us, no, it is really great.
Yes.
Nothing else to look.
Yes.
But it is going on changing, so we didn't get enough time to look. But if we get such a printout, we get all information about his whole theoretical work we have done.
Correct.
And doing such diagrammatic thing is not an easy task. It is difficult. You have to spend time for the person, but for us it is easy. 3, 4, and one model diagram that also was very effective. That sigma model, sign model, yeah. Design that was
Sing
model.
SIG.
Sing model, yes. That full representation, diagrammatic representation was very impressed, sir. It was really good. So everything overall, it was a good presentation, and we appreciate and wish you all the best.
Thank you.